Most welcome my friend in my channel. We are going to start new scientific update. Today's first news is that in graphics, synthetase and evolutionary circulation system, there is a relation between these systems. There is an enzyme known as the amino acyl tRNA synthesis. This enzyme has a lot of multiple roles, but if you go for their historical study, then you will find millions of years ago this is also there was this enzyme was exist, and there is several side roles, and now it is related to how the different type of species are origin from the single type of the linked mRNA synthesis enzyme. So in this paper, this is totally dedicated to reflect how the amino acid tRNA synthetase forms lot of the evolutionary history relationship. So we need to understand main important of this paper in this subject today. Number of points we need to dictate here. First point is the multiple ARS role in the development of vertebrate circulatory systems. One other point is that serene's amino acid regulate expression of vascular endothelials. Second is the combo synthetase glutamic acid profiles. This link the formation of the inhibitors like got what is this transformation. Another is the PSEP tryptophan synthetase. This is important, damping of angiotensinases. This is the whole thing in the circulatory system development in the vertebrates. And tyrosinase enzymes, what the role of this is also regulate endothelial cells. So we need to understand what the main important of tRNA at synthetase enzymes during the formation of the circulatory respiratory systems of this human systems. Next we will understand function of evolutionary in the study. So understand the relationship between these two by these enzymes. Now we are coming to this role of enzyme in the evolutionary history. What the role in the evolutions? Their domains, parasite circulatory systems, blood circulatory systems also regulate these systems 700 million years, 600 million years ago. Tyrosine enzymes motive is the promote angiogenesis, not angiotensins. This years they form the blood in the sister arthropods and vertebrates and not very clear endothelial systems. And 540 or 510 like that endothelium appear in the sister vertebrates. So there is a system, zebra and other animals, they will form this type. Or in this diagrammatically I am representing all these things, how they can form proteosomes, echodermates, helminthes, chordates and dermatids, proteus. These are all these things formed by this single synthetase enzyme. So it is related to. अब आते हैं अपने कोरोना केसेस की स्टडी में. कोरोना केसेस जो इंडिया में लगातार फ्रिक्वेंटली बढ़ रहे हैं, और क्योंकि इसमें इंडिया में टेस्टेस भी 1 लाख पर केजी के हिसाब से बढ़ रहे हैं, पर केसेस के हिसाब से, और रिकवरी केसेस 1 लाख प्लस हैं, 2,76,000 के आसपास हैं. अगर इनको हम देखते हैं तो 5% डेथ रेट है. अगर पूरे वर्ल्ड इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन देखते हैं तो 135 करोड़ है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा हिसाब से अगर मैनेज करते हैं तो टाइम लगेगा इस चीज़ को पूरी वर्ल्ड, लेकिन एक कम्युनिटी इन्फेक्शन हो चुका है. अगर आप वर्ल्ड लेवल पर देखते हैं तो इंडिया 5वें-6वें स्थान पर चल रहा है, अभी बहुत जल्दी 5वें पर आ जाएगा स्पेन से ऊपर, और आने वाले टाइम में पूरी इन्फेक्शन रेट बढ़ाता चला जाएगा. इस चीज़ को हम यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं जाकर कि पर डे जो 10,000 प्लस केसेस के हिसाब से डेली इंक्रीज़ कर रहा है. तो जहाँ पर भी हैं आप एहतियात बरतिए, क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन में डेंसिटी में बढ़ता चला जा रहा है. वन थिंग इज़ दैट अपने आप को सुरक्षित रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट्स वाई वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट आवर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. Now we are coming in the last section, scholarship section. In this scholarship section, there is a scholarships, 270 scholarship per year in Thailand. The university name is, you can search from here in this website and go directly in this site and apply for the first you go for subject what you want to go study there, and then go for this scholarship sections. They cover everything from this scholarship. You just need to be apply for in this university and go for the 100% fellowship in this. This is the daily type of I am giving some information about the scholarships, all other things for scientific news update. If you like, dear friends, you need to be subscribe my channel and share with needy students who really want to be scholarship with scientific update. They want to go for research sections, yeah, they want to improve yourself in the field of master, yeah, research, master research programs, everything you need to for the scientific field. This side, this YouTube is only dedicated for this section. Thank you so much for watching.